Hello. It's great to have you here. Welcome to another hands-on class of ERP Havieri. Today we are going to explore the Discrepancies screen, a fundamental and very intelligent piece of our automated purchasing system. This is the fourth stage of the flow, and it is also the source screen for generating tax documents. But the most interesting part is that it is not just for recording differences. It has three completely distinct operating modes, and each one solves a specific problem in purchasing management. When you access the Discrepancies screen, the first thing you see is a listing divided into three tabs: Entry, Exit, and Adjustment. Each tab shows its own already registered discrepancies, with code, type, date, company, supplier, status, and actions menu. The filter allows you to search by period and by status across all tabs simultaneously. By clicking Register, the system opens a window asking, "What is the discrepancy?" and offers three buttons. This is the most important decision. Let's understand each one. The first mode is Entry. When you select Entry, the system works exactly like the Purchase Entry screen we have already studied. You select the supplier, choose the currency, and in the Cart tab add the products that are coming in. You can search for products in the catalog, adjust quantities, values, supplier code, and the system calculates everything automatically with freight, surcharge, and discount. You also have Cost Distribution, the Stock tab to process the physical entry of products, the Invoice tab to generate accounts payable, and the Files tab to attach documents. The difference is that here, each product has an extra field, Movement. Since it is an entry, all products already come marked as entry, but you can see this clearly in the table. The second mode is Exit. This one is very intelligent. When you select Exit, the system also asks for the supplier and currency. The great insight is that the exit discrepancy is linked to the original purchase entry. That is, you are removing products that came in through a specific purchase. This is the intelligent way to record returns, losses, or any exit related to a purchase, maintaining complete traceability. The system knows which purchase each product came from and records the exit movement linked to the origin. Just like with Entry, you have access to the Cart, Stock to process the removal, Invoices to generate credits if necessary, and Files. Each product in the table comes with the movement field marked as Exit. The third mode is Adjustment. This is the most flexible of the three. When you select Adjustment, the system does not show the supplier panel or the Invoice tab. Why? Because Adjustment does not generate accounts payable. It is purely operational. The user can define whatever they want. They can mix entry with exit in the same discrepancy, make inventory corrections, adjust costs. In the product table, the movement field is unlocked for you to manually choose whether each item is an entry or an exit. This gives total flexibility for any type of adjustment the operation needs. In all three modes, the Stock tab works the same way. You select the products you want to move, click Move Stock, and the system automatically processes, entering or removing according to the movement type of each item. And you can still print barcode labels directly from the screen. And here is the most important point. The Discrepancies screen is the source for generating tax documents. After the discrepancy is approved and the stock is moved, it is from here that the system generates the entry, exit, or adjustment invoices. All traceability is recorded: which purchase originated it, which discrepancy was generated, which tax document was issued. The three modes share the same tab structure: Cart to manage products, Stock to process physical movement, Invoice for accounts payable or receivable, and Files for attached documents. But each one behaves intelligently according to the selected type. When you approve a discrepancy, the system blocks new changes and prepares everything for issuing tax documents. This is the final stage before generating the invoices we have already studied in previous classes: NFSE, NFCE, NFA, and CTE. ERP Havieri was designed to serve companies in all countries of Central America and South America. Tax rules, fields, languages, everything adapts automatically to the country where the company operates. To conclude, the Discrepancies screen is much more than a simple record of differences. It is a complete movement management tool that offers three distinct modes: Entry for product receipt, Exit for returns and removals linked to the original purchase, and Adjustment for flexible corrections without generating invoices. And it is from here that tax documents are generated. In the next class, we will review the issuance of tax documents, closing the complete cycle of the automated purchasing system. If you are enjoying our classes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive notifications for the next videos. Subscribe and follow the entire series. Thank you very much and see you in the next hands-on class of ERP Havieri. Agora vou gerar os títulos, descritos e palavras-chave para os 3 idiomas.